Hey, it's Nathan from New Horizons Lifestyle. I am standing at this amazing lookout surrounded by nature, and you can see all the way down to the water here. It's absolutely spectacular. I wanted to ask you a question to try and provoke you to start thinking about what you're really passionate about, what you truly love in life. We'll be right back. So what is one thing that you are truly passionate about that you can't live without? To be honest, I'm struggling to come up with just one because I pretty much equally love exercise as much as I do nature. As you can tell, I'm now standing in somewhere else that is quite beautiful in the country, and I really do enjoy nature. But I would have to say that exercise would trump everything. That is the one thing that I could definitely not live without, that truly makes me happy, that it truly satisfies my soul and my whole inner being. So why do I love exercise? It keeps me healthy and fit. It makes me feel good. It gives me a positive outlook. It helps me to have positive thoughts and a positive attitude. It energizes me. So when I'm exercising, I feel a lot more energized. I just love the way that it makes me feel all around. And the reason why I can't live without exercise is because it is the one thing that truly makes me feel alive. It's the one thing that I actually feel like I'm actually alive in my soul and my whole being, my emotional state. I actually feel connected and alive. So those are the things that I love about exercise and why I can't live without it. So now I want you to start thinking about the things that you're passionate about, the things that you love, and what is the one thing out of those things that you truly are passionate about, that you truly cannot live without. And I want you to think about the reasons why. Why is it that you can't live without that thing? What does it make you feel? What are the benefits that it provides for you? And how would you feel if you did not have that thing in your life anymore? So now that you have that one thing that you know that you're truly passionate about, that you can't live without, now start to look at the things that you can do, or the things that you can start implementing quickly or easily, so that you can start spending more time in that one thing that you're truly passionate about, so that you can start living your life more passionately on a day-to-day basis. So what is one thing that you cannot live without that makes you completely happy in life? That's besides your family, your spouse or kids. That's a no-brainer. So besides that, what is one other thing that truly makes you happy that you cannot live without? Have a think about it and leave your comments below, because I'd love to hear what your one thing is. All right, see you again soon. Bye for now.